Hello everyone, good afternoon and a warm welcome to today's competition. As a reminder, this quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology and supported by the College of Science and College of Engineering. We appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly grateful. The 2025 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by KNUST e-learning for all our media and video coverages. Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST, thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. The venues you provide to support the quizzes are well appreciated. DEXT Technologies. At DEXT Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge round a reality, and we appreciate you. Other sponsors include Ghana Grid Company Limited, GridCo. They provide reliable electricity grid for development. MTN Stakeholders Management. MTN, everywhere you go. Nestle Ghana Limited, good food, good life. And to our media partner, Kesbin TV, we appreciate you for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcast and commitment to quality have simplified and amplified our reach and impact. We deeply appreciate your dedicated support and collaboration. We appreciate our heads of schools for allowing your students to participate in this contest. To our hard-working teachers who prepared our students for this contest, we say thank you. We appreciate you. We appreciate you especially, contestants, dear students. Without you, this competition will not be possible. Well done for your hard work and everything. We appreciate everyone sponsoring this program and making it a success. My name is Dr. Amalabi from the Department of Biochemistry and Biotechnology here at KNUST. I am going to be your quiz mistress for this contest. Remember, the aim of the quiz is that this Jsmq program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high schools to enable them exhibit their understanding of the basic principles underlying the life and physical sciences. It is expected to make science and mathematics friendly and promote teamwork and critical thinking right from the early stages in life. At this juncture, I would like to introduce our competing schools. We have Ayikuma Methodist JHS. You are welcome, Ayikuma. We also have Smart International School. You are welcome, Smart International. We have St. Peter's RC Basic School. You are welcome, St. Peter's. And competing in this contest today, Ayikuma Methodist JHS is represented by
Hamdi Anasir Koli. Said Neman Said.
Kindly check your microphones. I did not hear. Smart International School is represented by
Emmanuel Mberi. Afote Medwin.
Welcome. St. Peter's RC Basic School is represented by
Right.
Before we continue with our competition, I would like us to do a buzzer test. Can we hear the sound from the buzzer for Ayikuma Methodist JHS? Smart International School. Peter's RC Basic School? Thank you very much. In this competition, there will be 4 rounds. Round 1 is fundamentals. Round 2, fastest finger, fastest brain. Round 3, science and technology challenge. Round 4, decoding the clues. Contestants, I will be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round. So round 1, listen attentively. This round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the 2 other schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the 2 other schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. Failing to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question nullifies your answer. Thus, no point is scored even if you are right. Best wishes to all schools. Question 1. This is a preamble to all schools, so listen carefully. Explain the following. Ayekuma Methodist JHS. Why do ice cubes melt faster on metal than on plastic?
When ice cubes are on metal, the metal conducts them.
Go ahead. Finish your answer.
The ice cubes, thereby allowing it to melt faster on metals, but on plastics, the plastics do not conduct the temperature away from the ice cubes.
I'll give it to you. That is correct. Smart International School. Why do metallic objects feel colder than wooden objects at the same temperature? Your time is up. Bonus. Yes, St. Peter's RC.
Metals feel colder because when supplied with, when the temperature is very cold, they are poor conductors. Metals are poor conductors of cold.
The wood are poor conductors of the temperature.
I will not give it to you. I will not give it to you. The answer is that when your warm hand touches a metal, it quickly pulls heat from your skin, making it feel cold. Wood doesn't conduct heat well, so less heat leaves your hand and it feels warmer, even if they have the same temperature. St. Peter's RC Basic School, your major question. The pressure exerted by 2 liquids is in the ratio 3:4. If the smaller pressure is 30 Pa, what is the larger pressure? Or what is the larger? Go ahead.
40 PA. 40 PA.
40 PA. Can you explain some more?
Okay, because they are in the ratio 3:4, and then the lower pressure 3 Pascal was increased by a scale factor of 10. The pressure 4 has to also be increased by a scale factor of 10.
Okay, I'll give it to you. Another preamble to all schools. Mention one metal in each case which produces hydrogen on reacting with Smart International School, steam.
Lithium.
Try again.
Calcium.
Calcium is correct. St. Peter's RC Basic School, hot concentrated alkali.
Potassium.
Try again. A bonus, Smart International.
Aluminium.
Aluminium is correct. Ayikuma Methodist JHS, diluted mineral acid.
Potassium.
Potassium is correct. Another preamble to all schools. Explain the role of each of the following groups of organisms in an ecosystem. St. Peter's, green plants.
Green plants are organisms that produce food in an ecosystem.
That is correct. Ayikuma Methodist, decomposers.
Decomposers break down organic matter in an ecosystem.
That is correct. Smart International School, carnivores.
So the carnivores feed on other other living organisms, typically the primary consumers.
Try again, try again, try again.
Carnivores feed on herbivores.
I will give you 2 out of 3. Because I said the role, so they control the population, they remove the weak and the sick, they maintain balance. Another preamble to all schools. An assignment was given to create folders and organize files on the computer for each school subject. Answer the following file and folder management tasks. Ayikuma, the main folder where all other folders and files can be stored is called
Master
2.
folder.
Can you try again and speak loudly this time into the microphone? Speak loudly, I'm listening. Okay, bonus. Yes, St. Peter's.
Directory.
That is correct. Smart International. What should be done to avoid losing important files due to system crashes?
You have to save immediately after finishing the work.
Try again. And speak loudly, please. Yes, St. Peter's.
So there are multiple ways you can use. One is creating backups, and the other one is using cloud storage.
That is correct. St. Peter's, your major question. What happens when you cut and paste a file from one folder to another?
When you cut and paste a file from one folder to another, the file is permanently removed from its original location and then is transposed at its new location.
That is correct. Preamble. In a class of 40 students, 25 students like mathematics, 18 students like science, 10 students like both mathematics and science. Smart International. How many students like only mathematics?
50.
That is correct. St. Peter's. How many students like only science?
8.
That is correct. Ayikuma Methodist. How many students like neither subject?
13.
Another chance to answer it correctly. The first one was incorrect.
17.
Incorrect. Bonus. Yes, St. Peter's.
7.
That is correct. A preamble. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. These questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. St. Peter's. 1,000 kilobytes is larger than a megabyte.
False.
That is correct. Ayikuma, 1,024 kilobytes is larger than a megabyte.
False.
That is correct. Smart International, 1,024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte.
False.
That is incorrect. Ayikuma, the square root of 2 is an irrational number.
True.
That is correct. Smart International, a decimal number that terminates is a rational number. Say it loudly, I did not hear you.
True.
That is correct. St. Peter's, every natural number is a whole number.
True.
That is correct. On that splendid performance, we come to the end of round 1. We would like to acknowledge the Premier College of Science, College of Engineering, DEX Technologies, KNUST e-learning, KNUST IDL, Gridco, MTN, Nestle Ghana, and our media partners, Kesbin TV. We thank you all for joining hands and coming on board to make this contest or this quiz possible. We really appreciate each one of you. My dear students, you are doing so well. Well done. At the end of round 1, Ayikuma Methodist JHS has 15 points. Smart International has 12 points. St. Peter RC Basic has 20 points. Welcome to round 2. Round 2 is the fastest brain, fastest finger. One question will be read out and all contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from the question. After the buzzer is pressed, the contestants must answer in 3 seconds. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. Each school will have a maximum of 1 attempt to answer the question. A wrong answer in this round attracts a penalty of 1 point. Best wishes to all of you. Let X be an unknown number. If 3 more than 4 times that number is 19, what is the unknown number? Yes, Ayikuma.
The number is 4.
That is correct. The warning and safety signs on chemical containers are usually represented by a symbol placed within St. Peter's.
Triangle.
That is correct. How long does it take for a mosquito to complete its life cycle under optimal conditions? Time is up. It's 7 to 10 days. Which type of circuit connection is used in homes? Yes, St. Peter's.
Parallel connection.
That is correct. What does ISP stand for? Yes, Smart International. That is correct. A machine lifts a load of 200 Newton with an effort of 50 Newton. Find the MA. St. Peter's.
4.
That is correct. Which ecological process describes water movement through evaporation, condensation, and precipitation? Ayikuma, go ahead.
The water cycle.
That is correct. Which of the following are reflex 190 degrees, 135 degrees, 270 degrees, St. Peter's.
190 degrees.
Yes, Smart.
270 degrees.
So I will give it to St. Peter's. They got it right. St. Peter's got it right. St. Peter's. And on that note, we'll come to the end of round 2. Congratulations to all of you. I must say you are all doing very well. Well done. We will continue to thank our sponsors, KNUST, College of Science and College of Engineering. We will thank KNUST IDL, E-Learning Center, GradeCo, MTN, and Nestle Ghana. We will thank our media partners, Kesben TV. We would also like to continue to thank our heads of schools and our teachers, as well as all contestants. Well done to all of you. At the end of round 2, Ayikuma Methodist had 8 points. Smart International had 4 points. St. Peter's RC had 16 points. So the total scores at the end of round 2, Ayikuma Methodist JHS 23 points. Smart International School 16 points. St. Peter RC Basic School 36 points. We come to our Science and Technology Challenge, that is round 3. One question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 10 points. Contestants will... Before I continue, there is a substitution. Let us get the substitution done. So Smart International, Emmanuel is going out and Gabriel is coming in. Welcome, Gabriel. All the best. The score for this round is 10 points. Contestants will be given up to 10 minutes to complete the task. Round 3 is powered by Dext Science Set. You are provided with a laser labeled L, a diffraction grating, and a screen labeled S. Your task is to place the diffracting grating between the laser and the screen. The distance between the laser and the diffracting should be 20 centimeters, and that of the diffracting grating and the screen should be 30 centimeters. Shine the laser beam onto the diffraction grating. Observe the pattern produced on the screen placed behind the grating. All the best to all schools. Contestants, you have 4 minutes to go. 4 more minutes to go. Less than a minute to go. Less than a minute. So your work will now be marked. Well, hello everyone, welcome back. Round 3. So this is what was expected of you. For the answers, a central bright spot with multiple smaller bright spots on either side is what your task was supposed to provide. The laser light was spread out or diffracted into several beams traveling in different directions. Wave nature of light or diffraction is the third answer. I am glad to announce you all did very well. At the end of the third round, Ayikuma Methodist had 10 over 10. Smart International had 9 over 10. St. Peter's RC Basic School had 10 over 10. Well done. You have all done very well. Therefore, at the end of round 3, the total scores, Ayikuma Methodist JHS has 33 points. Smart International School has 25 points. St. Peter RC Basic School has 46 points. So we are in round 4. In round 4, this is called decoding the clues. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points. If answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points. On the third clue is 4 points. On the fourth or any other indication is 3 points. Contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering disqualifies you from that question and nullifies your answer, even if it is correct. All the best to all competing schools. I am about to start, so pay attention. My members can be counted. My size is called my cardinality. I can be empty, small, or Ayikuma. Can you speak loudly? Your microphone is not. Speak loudly and clearly, please.
A set.
A set is correct. Elements in the set is correct. The second set. I am a type of memory. I am volatile in nature. Smart.
Random assessment.
That is correct. I am a measure of the amount of solute dissolved in a solvent. Ayikuma. I can be expressed in units like molarity or normality. St. Peter's. I didn't hear you, please. Check your microphone. I am related to the properties of a solution, such as its boiling point and freezing point. I am important in chemical reactions and analytical chemistry. I can be affected by factors like temperature and pressure. Do not confuse me with a pH meter. Who am I? The correct answer is concentration. I am a long coiled structure found in the nucleus. Smart.
DNA.
That is correct. On that note, we come to the end of round 4, and thus the end of the competition. We would like to acknowledge our sponsors, KNUST IDL, KNUST e-learning, Dext Technologies. We would like to acknowledge MTN, Nestle Ghana, as well as Greatco. We will also like to acknowledge our media partners, Kesben TV. Thank you very much. Thank you to our teachers who prepared the students for this wonderful competition. To our contestants, well done to each and every one of you. You have done really well. No matter which position you are getting today, know that you are a winner. And being on this competition is a great first step for many good things ahead of you. Congratulations to all of you. At the end of round 4, Ayikuma had 4 points, Smart International had 12 points, and St. Peter's had 0. But at the end of the entire competition, Ayikuma Methodist JHS had 37 points. Smart International School had 37 points. Our winner for today is St. Peter RC Basic School. They had 46 points. Well done, all of you. Well done, Ayikuma. Well done, Smart International. And congratulations to St. Peter RC Basic School. Well done, and see you another time. Thank you. Have a good afternoon.